How to change your Roblox name. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Then click on More at the bottom right corner of your screen after you have logged into your account. After you click on More at the bottom right, you'll find all these options. In here, scroll down to Settings. Click on Settings. In Settings, click on Account Info at the top. In here, you'll find Name. Click on Display Name to change it. After that, you can simply change as you want and press on Save at the bottom. After you've saved, you'll find Username as well. If you click on it, you will need 1000 Robux to change your username. And it is not free. This is how to change your Roblox name. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.